Questions related to duty in negligence cases often deal with reasonable foreseeability. In the 1964 case of Haley v. London Electricity Board, the United Kingdom House of Lords dealt for the first time with the foreseeability of a blind person encountering a hazardous obstacle and what duty, if any, is owed to safeguard people with disabilities. Haley was a blind man who lived in London. He worked as a telephonist and got to work by walking alone from his home for about 100 yards down a sidewalk where he would get help crossing the street and boarding a bus. He used a walking stick to avoid obstacles. In 1956, a group of workers from the London Electricity Board excavated a trench in the sidewalk where Haley walked from his home to the bus stop. The workers placed 2 notice boards around the trench to warn pedestrians and vehicles and allow pedestrians to walk around the trench on the road. One side of the trench had a pick and shovel on the pavement. The other end, which was closest to Haley's home, had a punner. This was a heavy weight rested on the ground near the curb with a long handle coming out the side that sloped up to rest on a railing on the inside of the pavement about 2 feet above the ground. That morning, Haley walked around 50 yards from his house using his walking stick properly. Haley didn't detect the punner handle and tripped over the handle about 8 or 9 inches above the ground. Haley fell, struck his head on the sidewalk, and became deaf because of his injury. Haley sued the London Electricity Board for negligence. The trial judge decided against him. Haley appealed. The Court of Appeal decided against him. Haley appealed again.